Hey all! Are you doing your part to beat the algorithm? The YouTube algorithm is a lawless wasteland that only rewards content that gets engagement. So here's how to help if you aren't already. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this. Let me know you liked the video by hitting that like button. And most importantly, leave a comment at the very least saying, I'm doing my part. Let's work together to beat the system. Thanks for joining me and enjoy the video.
Military caravan attacks, satellite component stolen. Cars just came out of nowhere.
Is this, like the Russian military? I'm confused. Who got attacked?
6 hospitalized, a dozen vehicles destroyed. All that in under 90 seconds, in and out.
A bunch of, what? Under 90 seconds?
6 hospitalized, a dozen vehicles destroyed. All that in under 90 seconds, in and out.
A dozen cars and 6 hospitalized. Wait, no one died? How did no one die?
There's only one crew in the world who could get this done.
How the hell did that get up there?
Why are you here? I mean, yeah, that's a good question. Why is that there? But why are the US even involved? Why does it feel like they're the only ones involved? Or am I misremembering?
Our target's Owen Shaw. Former major in the SAS, Spec Ops soldier.
He's a former major? In the what?
Former major in the SAS, Spec Ops soldier.
Oh, SAS. I don't need to Google that. I just didn't process it properly.
So what does this all mean?
Well, our best guess is that Shaw's crew is building a nightshade device.
A tech bomb designed to block an entire military communication grid for 24 hours.
You blind a soldier for a single second in the middle of a fight, and he dies. You blind a country for 24 hours. The loss of life is unthinkable. This could be worth billions to the right buyer.
Is that really his whole thing? His motivation is money? I thought he had some other kind of, like, motive. Is everyone just doing stuff for money in this franchise? I thought there was also, like, I guess I'm thinking of Mission Impossible here. Although then again, in is it Ghost Protocol? Not Ghost Protocol, something. The one with the Secret Nation or whatever the hell it's called. Sorry, my eyes are driving me crazy with these allergies. Even the big bad guy in that was just trying to get access to money so he could fund his operations. It's all about money. Everything is about money. I feel like I'm coming to this realization really late.
Simplest things can cause the biggest problems.
What was that, a spark plug? I couldn't actually see what that was.
Swap out a bad part, everything runs smooth as silk again.
So obviously he's talking about him, but I don't think he ever actually replaces him. He just gets rid of him. So the analogy of replacing a part on a car doesn't work, because in order for it to make sense with also talking about him, he either has to replace him, but he doesn't replace him. So what he's saying is his version of replacing is just getting rid of it. So my car's spark plug isn't in good shape, so I'm just going to take it out and just not. I'm just going to take out a whole fucking cylinder right there.
Look, sure. Wait, sure.
I just got confirmation on Shaw. They're going in. Wait. Hold up. Police scanners are saying alarms are going off at Interpol headquarters.
So it's a... Did he want him to shout his name? To get them to go, and did he know he was bugged or something? And so, like, is this all going according to Shaw's plan? Like a Sosuke Aizen moment of everything that has ever happened in your life was in the palm of my hand.
What's this?
It's your share from the last job.
His share. Did they make money off of the last job? They hit like a military convoy. Where's the profit in that? Did they get paid to do? I need more details about your operations, sir. I'm very curious. For educational purposes, mind you. Don't put me on a list, please.
There's a little extra in there for you. Consider it in advance.
For what?
The next job, of course.
Which job?
The one we're working right now.
How does he not know about that? Like, he's part of the crew. He got busted for like a few days, right? How long has it been? How does he not know they're working how does he not know the plan? Why are you out of the loop, sir? How did you even know where the headquarters was if you don't even know they're working a job right now? Why are there gaps in your knowledge? I want to fill the gaps in my knowledge, but you have even more gaps. He's blowing up the money. Is that giving him cover or something? Oh, he's making the cops fall down. Okay. Oh, it's keeping them from shooting at him. Okay. What? I need to pay closer attention when I watch movies.
O'Connor, Parker, Pierce, Toretto, and the rest of the team.
At least say all their names. That's not fair.
These guys are common criminals.
Tonight, these common criminals were seconds away from taking us down. Show them the respect they deserve or it weakens us.
Are they... Okay. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad attitude to have. They're trying to make him seem interesting and have some depth, which I can kind of appreciate. Yeah, okay. I don't 100% remember how this character goes.
So may I ask why you're looking for Sean?
He took something of ours. We'd like to talk to him about it.
I'm not being very careful about this. I'm going to be perfectly honest here. I should also say, you know, because don't they end up killing the guy that owns the shop that builds all these specialized things? Like, if they're willing to kill him anyways, they probably should have just killed him. Like he was a loose end. Probably would have prevented this being an issue by just killing him. It's not like you're above doing that.
We lost Ivory. He's gone.
Thanks.
That's it?
If Ivory's dead, he made a mistake.
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure he really did. I mean, well, technically, you all were making mistakes. He just was unlucky. Y'all were all fucking up in that whole situation, on both sides.
This guy didn't just have the cartels working for him. He had the CIA, DEA, everyone in his pocket.
Why? How? How is he so powerful? Like, I get that he used to be a major and he has some skills, but what makes him capable of having a network like this?
See, what I couldn't fathom is why he's not relaxing on a beach somewhere with that cute little Brazilian number. Instead, he's working with a two-bit government hack like Hobbs.
So I guess he's kind of trying to show that he knows more about... Well, here's the interesting thing. He's letting him know he knows that he has a home somewhere as a retired criminal. So that should allow him to make the connection. He also knows where Brian's home is and where Mia is and where their kid is. So Dom should actually be having alarm bells go off in his head going, you know where Mia is? This might be a problem.
We were able to track Shaw after he left you and Dom, but this guy's smart, so we can only track him so far. He seems to know all the city's blind spots.
He's driving an Aston Martin, not the fucking Batwing. What do you mean blind spots?
All right, let's go nail that son.
Let's go nail that son. Give me a second, I just need to stand for a sec. I've been doing this since 10 or whatever, and it's now 3 in the morning.
They're long gone. There's nothing here.
There's never nothing. There's always something.
Yeah, that paint you got from Shaw's place, highly specialized.
Paint? Fucking paint? Why was there paint on the ground that he could scrape off with a knife that was so specialized that it could lead them anywhere near Shaw? At this point, just say, the good thing one of their cars was leaking because it was leaking motor oil only used by specialized military equipment, only accessible to from a unique source of bleh. Who cares? Mumbo jumbo at that point. Paint? Motherfucker?
Anti-thermal low IR coating.
Military.
Exactly.
Why does Dom know what the fuck that is?
We got a list of bases around Europe that use this paint type and those specific colors.
All right, let's cross-reference that with all of Shaw's military targets. I guarantee you one of them's gonna match.
Bingo. It's a NATO base in Spain.
That puts Shaw in a different country.
The same country as Mia, right? A former major? He's like a fucking superhero. Supervillain, I suppose. You know what I mean. What is their escape strategy? I'm so confused. Why is he doing this? Does he intend to get caught? Because he's not doing anything, or nothing's happening to allude to the fact that he intends to escape. He's just causing carnage for no reason.
You guys really think you've won? Is code you live by?
I mean, I know what's about to happen. I remember.
Is code you live by? It's the very reason why you weren't even in the game. I told you exactly what I was going to do if you didn't walk away, Toretto.
Go!
It's true.
Maybe you should call Mia.
How does Dom not immediately go unhinged?
Yeah.
Brian's the one that goes unhinged.
So this is how it's gonna go down. You're gonna cut me loose from these cuffs.
I mean, I originally, I don't know if this is all that political, but here's the thing. When I first saw this movie, I thought there is no way anyone in the military would be willing to trade something as high risk as a doomsday weapon component and this guy, all for the lives of a couple random civilians. Not even civilians, like runaway criminals. They're wanted. And yet, more recently, what was it, like a basketball player or something went to Russia, smoked weed, got caught, and then the US, I guess, traded an arms dealer or something for her safe return. I don't know. I feel like an arms dealer could do some more damage by being free again, but then again, I feel like everyone's doing arms dealing. I don't think it really matters. Who knows? It's just a weird thought, because back then I thought there's no way they would go for this. If they go, well, you know, I'm actually in charge, by the way. They're just a couple of civilians. And I'm afraid I'm just going to have to say, I'm going to have to take my chances and keep you here. But while you remain here, they get to beat the shit out of you. So how about that?
Come in bed.
Of course.
Like I said, you were never in the game. I see you on the horizon.
What, are they like dating or something? I'm confused. He doesn't seem like the type of person that's capable of being in a relationship. Though then again, my ex also exists, so maybe I'm wrong. He's like, let me out. Let me just get out already. Wait, I didn't even see him hit the ground. He just disappeared. Also, that's wear your fucking seatbelt. Okay, so there he goes. He fucking disappears. Where does he go? You don't even get to see him hit the ground and tumble around. He just disappears into the void.